In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or hide decimals from your Shopify prices efficiently. If you're looking to streamline your pricing display by eliminating those pesky trailing zeros, you're in the right place. There's a straightforward method to achieve this by using Shopify's money filters within your theme's liquid templates. Let's dive right into it. First, navigate to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, head over to the Online Store section. Click on Themes to bring up your current theme settings. For the theme that is actively in use on your live store, select Actions and then Edit Code. This will open up the template editor where you can make the necessary changes to your store's code. Next, you're going to need to locate the exact file where your prices are rendered. These files can often be found in several different places, depending on your specific theme. Look for files such as productcard.liquid, productprice.liquid, price.liquid, or in sections like product template, liquid, or product form, liquid. Once you've located these files, it's time to find the line of code responsible for displaying the price. Typically, you'll see something like this: product.price, money, or perhaps product.price, money with currency. This is the part where the price formatting for your store occurs. To hide the decimals, you're going to make a small adjustment to this code by replacing money or money with currency with money without trailing zeros. So your new line of code will look like this: DA's product, price, money without trailing zeros. If you also want to include the currency symbol or code while removing the trailing zeros, you can modify it as follows: product.price, money without trailing zeros with currency. This will ensure that any cents that are zeros won't be displayed, but your currency information will still be shown. Once you've made these changes, don't forget to save them. Hit the Save button in the code editor to apply your modifications. Now it's time to preview your store. Navigate through your product pages and collection pages to ensure everything looks as expected. You'll notice that prices that used to show as P100 will now simply show as P100, as long as the cents are zero. This gives a cleaner and less cluttered presentation of prices, enhancing the overall aesthetic of your store. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to tidy up your pricing by removing unnecessary decimal places on Shopify. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below if you need further assistance.